Have you ever experienced the frustration of your Roidmi EVE Plus refusing to turn on? No lights, no response, just a silent, expensive paperweight. It's a common problem, often caused by a faulty PCB or battery. Let's explore the PCB and battery, explain what can go wrong, and see how our technicians diagnose and fix these issues. The PCB is the brain of your Roidmi. It controls all the robot's functions, from navigation to cleaning. A malfunctioning PCB can lead to a complete shutdown, preventing your vacuum from turning on at all. Now, let's talk about the battery. The battery, of course, provides the power for your Roidmi to operate. Over time, batteries can degrade and lose their ability to hold a charge. A spoiled battery can prevent your Roidmi from turning on, even when plugged in. These two components are closely linked. A faulty PCB can drain the battery, and a failing battery can strain the PCB. Identifying the root cause of the problem is crucial for effective repair. Ignoring these issues isn't just inconvenient, it's a ticking time bomb. The longer you wait, the worse it gets. You risk further damage, voiding your warranty, and ultimately, needing a whole new vacuum. Who needs that kind of drama in their life? Let's be honest, dealing with a dead robot vacuum is more terrifying than a horror movie marathon. Don't let the dead Roidmi EVE Plus ruin your cleaning routine. RoboCare makes it easy to get your vacuum back in action. At RoboCare, our expert technicians use specialized tools and diagnostic equipment to pinpoint the exact issue. We'll check the PCB for signs of damage, test the battery's capacity, and ensure all connections are secure. If the PCB is faulty, we'll either repair the damaged components or replace it entirely with a new, high-quality PCB. For battery issues, we'll always replace it with a brand new, compatible battery, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. We take pride in our meticulous approach, ensuring that every repair is done to the highest standards. We also use only genuine Roidmi parts, guaranteeing the quality and reliability of all repairs. Are you curious about the results of this problematic robot vacuum after it's repaired by RoboCare? And here it is! The Roidmi EVE Plus robot vacuum now vacuums and mops with precision and flawlessly navigates rooms. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience. If your robot vacuum is giving you trouble, don't hesitate to contact RoboCare. They are the robot vacuum repair experts. They saved me from the nightmare of manual cleaning and brought my Roidmi EVE Plus back to life. I highly recommend their services. Contact RoboCare today and let us bring your robot vacuum back to life. We are your trusted partner for all your robot vacuum repair needs.